19 motivational quotes to keep you learning English. When you're down on motivation, it's a great idea to get some advice from an expert. We don't always have experts on hand, though. If that's the case, and you need some advice to help you get motivated to learn English, turn to some of the greatest thinkers of the past with these 19 quotes to help you get motivated to learn English. One. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln. Meaning, if you want to be a fluent speaker of English in the future, you need to make it happen. Two. You are never too old to set another goal, or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. Meaning, many people say it's easier to learn a language when you are young. But there are advantages to learning a language when you are older. Three. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Gandhi. Meaning, enjoy living in the moment, but remember that learning English will prepare you for the future. Four. Learning is not a spectator sport. D. Blotcher. Meaning, if you want to master English, get involved, and practice as much as possible. Five. There is no substitute for hard work. Thomas Edison. Meaning, learning any language is hard work, so prepare well, put in the hours, and you will achieve your goals. Six. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. For a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lao Tzu. Meaning, starting early with your learning will mean that you have time to deal with things in small steps. Even a large goal is more approachable if you break it down into smaller ones and just get started. Seven. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Margaret Fuller. Meaning, reading is not just important for acquiring knowledge. It will help you build your vocabulary and range in English too. 8. Learning is like rowing upstream. Not to advance is to drop back. Chinese proverb. Meaning, in a world where everyone else is learning, if you don't take your learning seriously, you will fall behind. Nine. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Meaning, like the Lao Tzu quote earlier, this one is a great way to help you stop procrastinating. Anything you can do right away will help you get ahead with your goal of learning a language. Ten. If you can dream it, you can do it. Walt Disney. Meaning, Walt Disney was well known as a man who made dreams come true. And you can too. It just takes plenty of hard work. It doesn't matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Confucius. Meaning, learning a skill such as a new language can take a long time. If you feel like your progress is slow, bear in mind these wise words from Confucius. The important thing is to keep going, and you will get there in the end. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Benjamin Franklin. Meaning, planning is important when you are learning a language, so don't be afraid to put some time into it. Ever tried? Ever failed? No matter. Try again. Fail again. Fail better. Samuel Beckett. Meaning, making mistakes is a natural part of the language learning process. The key is to learn from these mistakes. Don't be afraid to try out new things in English, but always remember to reflect on them and decide what was successful and what you need to keep working on. Language is the infinite use of finite means. Wilhelm von Humboldt. Meaning, remember, it is possible to communicate big ideas with relatively limited language. Don't feel like you need perfect English before you can go out and have interesting conversations with other people. Is it not enjoyable to learn and practice what you learn? Confucius. Meaning, using your English skills is fun. Make time just to enjoy speaking English. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Joseph Addison. Meaning. More wise words on reading here. Reading will also help you improve your English. Writing by introducing you to new, interesting sentence structures. "17. To have another language is to possess a second soul." Charlemagne. Meaning. Learning a new language gives you the chance to be a different person, if you want to. Make the most of that chance. "18. Language is wine upon the lips." Virginia Woolf. Meaning. When you are learning a language, remember to slow down and enjoy the process. The language itself is often as enjoyable as the end goal. "19. Tell me, and I forget. Teach me, and I remember. Involve me, and I learn." Benjamin Franklin. Meaning. Very sensible advice. Now it's time for you to get involved.